In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam Remote Play lag with a few simple steps. Open Steam on your PC, click on Steam in the top left corner, select Settings from the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Remote Play in the left menu. Ensure Enable Remote Play is turned on. Set Allow Direct Connection to Automatic. Now, enable Host Options. Turn on Enable Hardware Encoding. If using an NVIDIA GPU, enable NVFPC. Enable Prioritize Network Traffic if you have a high-end router. Leave software encoding threads set to automatic. Scroll down and enable Advanced Client Options. If you are experiencing lag, set Quality to Fast. This will reduce graphics quality. You can also choose Balanced for the better visuals with decent performance. Set bandwidth limit, frame rate and resolution to automatic, which is recommended. Ensure hardware decoding is enabled. Close the settings window, restart Steam Remote Play and test your connection. You should now experience smoother gameplay. That's it. You have now learned how to fix Steam Remote Play lag. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.